Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Learn Square Root. Today we are here with another 4-digit number to find the square root by long division method. And the number is 4, 3, 5, 6. 4356, of which we will be finding out the square root by long division method. So let's get started. To find the To find the square root by long division method, first of all, we make pair of numbers like 56 and 43. Now the first pair, that is of 43, we have to get a square number less than 43. We know that the square of 6 is 36 and the square of 7 is 49. So we will go with 36. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. Now after subtracting, we will get 7. And now we will take our last pair, that is 56, with which our number becomes 756. We will add 6 with 6. Now we have to take one more digit with 12 to make it a triple digit number, and we will multiply this triple digit number with the same one digit. And the ones place in 756 is 6. We will take that number only whose square contains 6 in the ones place. Like the square of 6 is 36 and the ones place is 6. So 126 multiplied by 6 is 756, what we wanted. 126 multiplied by 6 is 756. Now after subtracting we will get nothing. So finally we have got the square root of 4356 and the square root of this 4-digit number is 66. And like this we can find out the square root of any number by long division method, like today we have got. So we will write it in the symbol of square root. 4356 is 66. So that's all for today in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel and follow for more. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.